Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Hot Strip Mill 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant achieves best ever annual production before completion of year. Program on cost awareness for doctors organized at Ispat General Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant extends financial assistance to underprivileged students from peripheral areas pursuing professional studies. And now, the news in detail. The state-of-the-art Hot Strip Mill 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has achieved the best ever annual production on 18th March 2026, surpassing previous best annual production record of 25,51,444 tons coil weight achieved during fiscal year 2024-25. The milestone was achieved in the B shift on 18th March 2026, that is 13 days before the close of the current fiscal. The mill is also all set to create a new production benchmark in March 2026. The record has been made possible through the concerted efforts of the team HSM2 under the consistent guidance of Mr. Alok Verma, DIC, Mr. Biswaranjan Pallai, ED Works, and Mr. Subrat Kumar, CGM, HSMs and auxiliaries, with able support from production planning and control, roll shop, traffic and raw materials, instrumentation and automation, R&C lab, crane maintenance, mechanical shop, design, power distribution, computer and information technology, central electrical and mechanical maintenance groups, energy management department, civil engineering services, contract cell works, materials management, field machinery maintenance, refractories, finance, safety engineering, human resources and learning and development department. A comprehensive training program on cost awareness for doctors was organized at Ispat General Hospital IGH of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP with the objective of sensitizing medical professionals towards cost optimization and efficient resource utilization in healthcare delivery. The program was organized by Learning and Development, that is L&D department, with technical support from Finance department and MTI Ranchi. Dr. Jayant Kumar Acharya, CMO in charge MNHS, presided over the session. Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM L&D, Mr. S.K. Malik, GM L&D, MTI, and Mr. B.K. Singh, GM F&A were present on the occasion. The session was attended by the medicos of IGH. In his inaugural address, Dr. Acharya emphasized the importance of cost awareness in the healthcare sector, highlighting that judicious utilization of resources is essential for ensuring sustainability and improved patient care. He encouraged the doctors to integrate cost-conscious practices in their day-to-day functioning without compromising on the quality of treatment. At the outset, Mr. P.K. Sahu, in his welcome address, highlighted the importance of such initiatives in enhancing financial awareness among medical professionals. In the subsequent sessions, Mr. B.K. Singh, GM F&A, and Mr. S.K. Malik conducted insightful sessions on understanding the financial health of SAIL and RSP, along with basic concepts of costing and decision making. An interactive simulation exercise was conducted to help participants appreciate the impact of their decisions on financial performance. This was followed by group activities where participants identified key cost drivers in various areas of IGH and worked on preparing actionable plans for cost reduction. The program concluded with presentations by the participants on their action plans, followed by a feedback session and closing remarks. As a part of its CSR initiatives in the field of education, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP provided financial assistance to 51 students from peripheral villages in a ceremony organized at the Institute of Periphery Development of CSR Department on 14th March 2026. Notably, all the beneficiaries belong to poor and underprivileged sections from Sundargarh district, model steel villages and RSP resettlement colonies. Of these, 25 students have joined the professional courses in the academic year 2025-26, while the remaining 26 students are continuing their professional studies under the scheme. Mr. T.G. Kanekar, CGM, TS and CSR presided over the ceremony and handed over the appreciation letters and dummy checks to the beneficiaries of the scheme. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Kanekar emphasized that such initiatives reflect RSP's commitment to inclusive growth and the empowerment of students from marginalized communities through education. During the interaction session, students and their parents expressed their gratitude and shared how the financial support would significantly aid their academic and career aspirations. It is noteworthy that the scheme aims to support meritorious yet underprivileged students pursuing professional undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Each selected student receives financial assistance of Rs 30,000 per year. This amounts to Rs 60,000 for 2-year postgraduate courses, Rs 1,20,000 for 4-year graduate courses such as BTech and Rs 1,50,000 for 5 years MBBS courses. The scholarship is distributed annually in installments based on academic performance and submission of required documents. Earlier, Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM in charge CSR, welcomed the gathering and outlined the objectives of the scheme, while Mr. T.B. Topo, TGM CSR, proposed the vote of thanks. The program was coordinated by Mr. S.K. Sukula, Deputy Manager CSR, and Mr. B. Ekka, Section Officer CSR. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.